He hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class. Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Every single one of his medical bills, everything is just all taken care of.
We have phenomenal research, outstanding clinical care, and the generosity of public, which allow us to treat patients regardless of what it takes.
At St. Jude, families never receive a bill for treatment, travel, housing, or food, because the only thing a family should worry about is helping their child live.
Because of you.
Gracias a ti. Because of you.
There is St. Jude.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
This whole investigation is to do with taking down President Trump. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. I was never so outraged. I don't care if you hate Trump. You do not. Think about it. The Attorney General, who's in charge of the FBI, appointed by the president, such an honor, turns on him. Allows the FBI to go into, which is unheard of, the president's personal attorney go into the office and the home, tear it apart, looking for evidence. That's like what Nazis used to do. What are you, nuts? This is crazy. I don't care what your take is on Trump. Hate him or love him. This is crazy. This should never happen. And Sessions should be fired immediately. And Mueller, too. Oh, they say, well, if you fire Sessions, you fire, oh, this would be terrible. Oh, boy, the Democrats will come after Trump. They're coming after him now. What's the difference? I don't get it. They're afraid to fire Sessions, which needs firing even before this. He's such a wimp. I mean, think about it. Sessions, the Attorney General, has never gone after Hillary Clinton, never ordered the FBI to go after Hillary Clinton, to go after their charity. My God. It's about 10% of the money actually reached people. Remember when she was Secretary of State, what she did? She sold her office. The Clinton Foundation is a criminal enterprise. The mafia is jealous. Go see the Secretary of State, Hillary. There'd be a line outside her office, bringing her in checks, making deals. And don't you tell me that that money wasn't split between the President Obama and his top cop, Eric Holder. They had to split it because many things they had to sign off on together. Example, Uranium One, when the Canadian family, and think about this, none of this is being investigated. The Canadian family who owned the uranium, the largest uranium deposit mining in Nevada, in the country, they sold it to Russia, but they needed a sign-off, not only by Hillary Clinton, Secretary of State, they had to get Eric Holder, Attorney General, and they needed the president. Are you telling me the millions and millions of dollars they made, the Clintons, none of that funneled back? Do you really think that Obama and Holder sat there and said, we're going to sign this off? Don't worry. You pick up your, whatever it was, 15 million, 20 million, you keep it all. You really don't think it was funneled back through that book deal? Everybody's saying it was funneled back through his book deal. When did somebody ever get $60 million advance in a book deal? But none of it's being investigated. This is amazing. They have targeted Trump, including his own Sessions, Attorney General. This is crazy. So he should fire them immediately. Oh, they'll impeach him. No, they won't. He won't get impeached. The people will stand up. The people will stand up. People are going to be outraged about this. They are. You don't see them out with the signs and like you see all those dopes out there with their pink hats on and all that garbage which I was in the middle of in Washington with my microphone. You know, in that march, I forgot what they called the march now. But people should be marching. This is just a terrible thing. This is just awful. So I hope and Rand Paul has it right. Let me play it again. He's right.
This is why I have opposed really having special prosecutors for almost anything, because I think they abuse their authority. So I think Mueller has abused his authority. Now they say, well, he's abused his authority because this is not about Russia. This is about, was there money being funneled to this woman that, she claims that she had an affair with Trump and that she was paid money. And they're trying to find a check that went through his private attorney's office to her. What's this got to do with Russia? He can go after anything he wants. He's a pawn of the left-wing Democrats. This is just crazy. This is dangerous is what it is. Very dangerous. I don't have to spend much time on this, but, I mean, it's really upsetting. It's terrible. Terrible. So, the market today. The market, for the first time now, going into the close of the day, is holding its gain. And today, I told my gang members, especially my video stock group, I told them if we hold going into this close, then we got to get back to buying some oil stocks and to buy the ETF for energy. That's right. You can buy a beautiful basket of energy stocks. And that's what you should do. Because just buy the ETF and then, again, join my gang and follow me and just do exactly what I do with my basket of ETF stocks. So at the end of the day, if we're still above 350, we're at 475, we're above 350, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy the ETF XLE, and my gang members will do the same thing. And then every night, you follow me on my video and do exactly what I do. That's the beautiful thing about the program. You do exactly what I do. You don't even give me your money. I don't even handle your money. You buy the ETF, go online, some online broker, whoever, Ameritrade, whoever, and then buy the ETF, and then during the day 3 times, I'll do a video on the ETF, and just mimic what I am doing. Just do exactly what when I say I'm buying some more, you buy some more. When I said no, I'm going to take some off, you take some off. Or I say, you know what, I'm only going to add not here, but I'm going to add when it gets a little bit higher at this point. You add at that point. It's a beautiful thing. I just want you to help St. Jude, that's all. Join my gang, Phil's Gang. I'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
After 3 months on 2018, I'm up over about 15% for the year.
I love the webinars. I love all of the training videos.
Phil has definitely kept me informed on a day-to-day basis on the ups and downs in the market.
I really appreciated how he explained why it was very risky to start buying stock.
Thank you for giving my confidence back in trading.
I would highly recommend joining Phil's Gang. Very inexpensive compared to what you are getting or receiving for the money.
Yes, I would recommend Phil's Gang to anyone who is interested in buying stocks.
Join the gang, follow Phil, manage your own money. You'll be glad you did.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Listen to what people are saying about philsgang.com.
I am up 5% right now, closer to 6%.
I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
I have never made so much money in the stock market.
I'm up $28,000 since November.
No matter if the markets are up or down, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team put you on the path to making profits in the stock market.
This is Deb from Sarasota.
This is Bill from Miami, Florida.
This is Cora from Hawaii.
Hey, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would recommend Phil and Phil's Gang to anyone.
Join thousands of investors and start making profits in the stock market. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or sign up at philsgang.com. Again, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's philsgang.com.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
if you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Great opportunity. Join my gang, $39.95. And I am personally right now, purchasing an ETF, of oil stocks, energy stocks. So now what I will do is I'll start tonight after the close. I will put in my video. And then 3 times during the day, it just takes you a couple minutes. Go to my site, pop open the video, and see what my instructions are. And that was exactly what I'm doing with the stock, you do with the stock. Exactly the same. That's fantastic. How many times have you said, boy, I wish I could just take a guy who knows what he's doing and just give him my money, and I just can't find anybody. I just can't find it. I love to give somebody my money. I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry about down markets, up markets. He just takes care of me. You don't get that. Why don't you get that? Because of this system. Instead of going after Trump, why don't we go after the system? I mean, think about it. You're taking your money and you're hoping to retire, and you're hoping to, what time you retire, you're going to work hard. You're going to work hard for 20, 30 years, maybe more, with the idea that you're going to retire and live the same lifestyle you become accustomed to, but you find out you can't. Why? Why? Because of this.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
That's it. That's Wall Street right there. They don't give a damn about you. They don't care about you. You think you're going to do well with a 401k? Do you really believe that? These guys steal your money. They have no responsibility to you. We could never get a law passed to make sure they did have a fiduciary relationship with you. There's no fiduciary. None. Listen.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
No responsibility to you in the 401k. None. Zero. You know, the common good seems to have disappeared in this industry. Or forget this industry. Everywhere. Think about it. CEOs. Why don't they go after the CEOs? Matter of fact, why don't they take Chris Christie right now, fire Mr. Peepers? Does it remind you of Mr. Peeper Sessions? If you go boo, he's going, whoa. You jump under his desk. Mr. Peepers. Fire him and put Chris Christie in now, a strong personality. And any senator who wants to impeach Trump, have Chris Christie go after him for taking bribes. Why aren't we going after the CEOs who gouge their customers, who loot their corporations through stock buybacks? Why aren't they going after the Wall Street banksters? After 10 years, they've never gone after Jamie Dimon. They never went after the CEO of Wells Fargo who defrauded his investors, who defrauded his customers, setting up accounts, fake accounts with your name on it. He didn't do any time. Nothing. Zero. He wasn't arrested. Go after the athletes involving in doping. How about the doctors who do all these unnecessary procedures? How about lawyers? Go after lawyers who file unnecessary motions after motions after motions after motions to make a fortune. Go after these lawyers who just steal from you by doing depositions, hours and hours and hours of unnecessary depositions. That's who they should go after. Go after them. It's crazy. It's just crazy. Go after the politicians who take bribes they call donations from wealthy donors and corporations, and then these politicians in Congress enact laws that these people want. See, the worst thing with income inequality, when a handful of people are controlling all the money in this country, they control Congress, and they control the laws, and they tell Congress what laws they want and put them in place to protect themselves. This is crazy. You're going after Trump? You are going instead of Jamie Dimon? What are you, nuts? This is crazy. How about Obama? Go get him now. Take all his everything he got for retirement. Take it away from him. He lied to us. He lied about every important issue. He lied about the health care. Health care cost is killing us. Health care cost is killing this country. The nerve of him, the nerve of Obama to say to a young person, if you do not buy insurance, I'll put you in jail for 6 months. You're going to have to pay these big fees if you don't buy insurance. Are you kidding? This is crazy. So let's get Chris Christie, put him in that office, let him be the Attorney General, and take Sessions and throw him out, and get rid of that dope Mueller and his whole crew, clean them out, go over to their building, with the AG's offices where Mueller, and tent it. You got to tent it. You know how when you tent a house to get all the bugs out? That's what you have to do, tent it. Trump has done a tremendous job under this kind of pressure since the first day he's been in office. They've been trying to impeach him. Look at the job he's done. He's done more than all the presidents put together. Yes, I'm mad at him that he changed his direction when he first said the bubble was ugly. The stock market was an ugly bubble. And then when he became president, he said, no, it's not a bubble. Of course I'm angry at that. But how can you be angry at a guy who goes and he fills the bench with the greatest talent? The Supreme Court, all the things he's done. Incredible. But let's get everybody, write your congressman and tell him to get Christie in there today.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Been very happy with the results on 2018. I'm up over about 15% for the year.
Because he gives a lot of good insight to understand not only what is happening, but why the market is doing what it's doing.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
Phil has definitely kept me informed on a day-to-day basis on the ups and downs in the market.
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done and afforded me by becoming a Phil's Gang member.
Thank you so much for what you do, Phil. Not only for us, but also for St. Jude.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would highly recommend joining Phil's Gang. Very inexpensive to be able to have that everyday guidance that you can get from Phil's Gang.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. This is a great time to join philsgang.com. We now offer Phil's MV2 video stock program. Phil chooses the stocks, and we post short and easy-to-follow videos that guide you into making profits in the stock market. For more information, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call 877-600-4264.
Seattle, you now can catch me, Phil Grandy, and Phil's Gang Radio Show weekdays at 12 noon right here on AM 1590, The Answer.
Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, our representatives need to start preserving and protecting our democracy. Not inundated with big, big money. That's what's going on here. This is all about big money. This is crazy. Patriotism
is when we all take on a fair share of the burdens of keeping America great, keep it going, paying taxes in full rather than seeking loopholes like the very, very wealthy who go to Congress and pay off Congress to buy loopholes where they squirrel money away in foreign tax shelters. Go after those people, not Trump. How about you can't serve as a senator or representative, you can't serve in Congress unless you served in the armed forces? Maybe this will compel us to join together for the common good, which we seem to have disappeared in this country. Once everybody understood and accepted common good in our country. I mean, think about it. Our Constitution was designed for we, the people, seeking to promote general welfare, not for just the rich, seeking as much wealth and power as they possibly can get. And to get power and wealth, they're broke. They go to Washington and they come out multimillionaires. What are you, nuts? Well, I'm going to stop. That's all I had to say about this. I mean, it just really, really made me grumpy. Unbelievable. I don't understand that, but here's what Varney doesn't understand. Great Varney, the great Varney.
What's going on here? We've got 3% growth, strong economy, and we've got $1 trillion deficit in 2020. That's not right. It's not supposed to be like that.
What an idiot. What an idiot.
You are an idiot.
Spending's out of control, you idiot. Don't you see? It's unbelievable.
The federal government's annual budget deficit is set to grow to $1 trillion by 2020. The Congressional Budget Office also projecting the national debt's going to soar to more than $33 trillion in 2028. That would put the debt at 96% of gross domestic product. That is the highest level since just after World War II.
Kudlow. Listen to Kudlow.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
Listen to Laffer.
GDP will be about 6.6 percentage points higher than it currently is.
Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Kudlow or Laffer, these two would not know economic growth if it was in front of them and they tripped over it. They have no idea what causes economic growth in this country. Or these deficits. They have no idea where deficits even come from. When you have these representatives, you have people in Congress, they keep spending more than they take in this year alone. This calendar year, which ends September, started in October last year, 2017 ends this year, September, they will have spent over $850 billion more than they took in. Because it's not their money. They just keep spending it. It's not their money. It's unbelievable. They have no idea. Varney or the rest have no idea, or Kudlow, what causes economic growth. He thinks he can just talk about it and it grows. The economy grows. He just talks it up. Say with a Laffer. You know what people don't understand? Today, I'm buying oil stocks. I am buying oil stocks, and I think you should join my gang, and you should buy the ETF for oil. Why don't you join my gang right now? Join it now, and I'll give you the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, $39.95, and I'm buying an ETF today. I think I already bought it, an ETF today, oil ETF. Beautiful oil ETF. I've been waiting a long time for it to set up. So why don't you join, and then every night, every day, I give you 3 videos on the ETF. I show you exactly what I'm doing, and you mimic what I am doing. Oil is so important. These people have no idea how oil is so important to this economy. You know that our economy blew up because of oil. 2008 crash was because of the high price of oil and gasoline. People had to make a decision, either take their money and pay for gasoline to get to work, or pay their mortgage, remember? He doesn't know what economic growth is, these guys. They wouldn't know it. They don't understand. You know that growth in oil consumption powers economic growth. They don't get that. We should have, in the 70s, had a policy. We should have had a plan. We've never had an oil policy in this country. A plan. Never. In the 70s, when we were getting killed by the Saudi Arabia and the rest of the countries, and they're blockading us, and we said, oh, we're going to have a policy. Boy, this is it. We're going to have a policy. They never did. They never had an oil policy, an energy policy. Never. They never put in an energy policy. 40 years later, we still don't have it. We need one. Growth. Why? Because growth in oil consumption powers economic growth. Without growth in oil consumption, we can't grow. The economy can't advance. They're sitting here saying 5% and 6%? Without growth in oil consumption? These guys are so dumb, it's incredible. Every 1% increase in global GDP was associated with a 25% increase in oil, a 0.25% increase in oil consumption. You know that? And since 2005, oil production has been dead. Flat. So when they sit there and they take parking space in your head, they think they can just talk it up and say, oh, we're going to have GDP 4%. Oh, laugh, we're going to have it 6%. Really? When since 2005, oil production has been dead because of all the environmental rules and regulations? They killed us. Remember, oil consumption and economic growth are linked. They're linked together. Oh, no. They got a better idea. Why don't we just make money cheap? Let's bring rates down to zero. Let's make more cheap money. Print it, make it cheap, down to zero, and we'll give it to our CEOs. We'll just keep printing it and give it to our CEOs. That's how we're going to grow the economy. But wait a minute, that only grows for the 1 percentile. What about the family who's working hard, who have 4 kids, making $65,000 a year? It doesn't help them. When you keep printing money, the value of the dollar goes down. They need more dollars to buy stuff with. But their wages aren't going up. This is crazy. They printed trillions and trillions of dollars and injected it into our economy. Yet what has happened? Nothing. Since 2009, our economy hasn't grown to 3%. We're not at 3%, like Varney says. We're not near 3%. On an annualized basis, we're not even near it. We're going to be about 1.9% at the end of this year. This is crazy. So I got a great opportunity for you now. Join my gang and follow me with the ETF XLE. Now, you're going to say, oh, I can do that. Now he gave me XLE. I'll do it on my own. I don't need to pay him. Really? Good luck to you. Good luck to you. I have a lot of people who do that. They hear me on the radio say, oh, I'm going to buy ETF, and they go, oh, now I got the stock. I don't have to join his gang. Good luck to you. That's like driving a car. You have no eyeballs. I wouldn't hand you the keys. We'll be back right after this break. Take a look at some of our great oil stocks. Don't miss out on them. Call right now. Join my gang. 877-600-GANG.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
After 3 months on 2018, I'm up over about 15% for the year.
I love the webinars. I love all of the training videos.
Phil has definitely kept me informed on a day-to-day basis on the ups and downs in the market.
I really appreciated how he explained why it was very risky to start buying stock.
Thank you for giving my confidence back in trading.
I would highly recommend joining Phil's gang. Very inexpensive compared to what you are getting or receiving for the money.
Yes, I would recommend Phil's gang to anyone who is interested in buying stocks.
Join the gang, follow Phil, manage your own money. You'll be glad you did.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, my name is Phil Graney, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. We're talking about oil consumption, how important oil is. It's in everything we use. But you need a strong economy, so we're consuming that oil to make all the different products, from lipstick to jackets to pencils to you name it. But our economy is not growing because our politicians don't care about growth. Our politicians are more concerned on what laws do they put on the books that they can get paid. They can get paid cash under the table from the rich. This is nuts. They're going to grow this economy, they're telling us? Are you nuts? When inflation adjusted, where our GDP is only expanded by 0.9% on an annualized basis. What are you, nuts? This is crazy. That's far below our 5 or 6% that we are required to sustain our banking system. That's dependent on our economic growth. Our banks need an economic growth of 5 to 6% to survive. They're not surviving.
They're insolvent. But you and I keep plugging them full of money, and they keep saying, look how great we are, the banks. We are doing terrific. Look at us. We're strong. Look at our balance sheets. Bunch of nonsense. Go take their derivatives, pull those out of the balance sheet. Pull them out. Put them back on the balance sheet. All these banks are doing the same thing that Enron did. Enron just took all their bad debt and moved it off the balance sheet. It's called off-balance sheet debt, so you can't see it. So what are we going to do? Right now, oil has dropped to a point where, again, we're going to see oil start running. The dollar is starting to drop. Oil is going, then gold's going to come in. But right now, join my gang. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Start out with an ETF. Every day, we take our ETFs. We have a group of people who just do ETFs. Working investors, we call it. And we take the ETF and we put it on my MV2 color-coded chart so you can learn how to use that chart. You can do it on your own. It gives you a color code of buy to sell. So every afternoon, we do an update. We go over the ETFs. We pick them out. And now we're going to do the energy ETF. And every day, we're going to say, okay, here. And every day, we're going to say, all right, here is the ETF. Here's my MV2 color-coded chart. It's staying green, so now you stay in. Or it changes to 2 or 3 red days. Now we tell you, take some off. Once you learn how to use the color-coded chart, you'll have so much confidence because you make as much money going when the market's going down as up. It's just so simple. But start out. Why don't you start out now? Join the gang for $39.95. And then follow us in the afternoon, 1:15, I think it is, 1:15, that we do our ETF update using the color-coded chart called the Working Investors Group. Perfect way for you to learn to use a chart that I designed that is so correct. When it says buy, buy. When it says sell, sell. When it says run like hell, you run like hell. So here's some wonderful stocks. XLE is the ETF. Has a basket of beautiful oil stocks. Beautiful oil stocks. RIG is an individual stock. Diamond Offshore, that's another one. Now, the RIG and DO is inside the XLE. So you can learn how to trade invest in RIG and DO. Just follow me in these 3 stocks. Just do one of them. Just do the XLE. Just take the energy. Energy is so important. So important. We got to have energy. But what do? They trying to create economic growth with stupidity. Keep printing money. We put trillions in this economy and we've gotten nothing back. Nothing back. There's benefits of economic growth, They tell us our economic growth can't hit 3%. So we're not getting the benefits of economic growth. You're not seeing the benefits of economic growth. So what they do is they come in and print money and try to pretend we have economic growth, create this fake wealth effect, and you've fallen for it. And they take a stock market and they push it up since November 2016 when Trump won the election, or the election. The market goes up 35% just on puff. Just puff. And they wonder why it's not. They wonder why after it hit the high of January 26th, and I predicted on January 16th, I said we're going to hit a high. The bubble's ready to break, and it did on January 26th. And we're in the middle of a crash. Well, you don't feel it now, do you? Oh, you will. And if you're with me, you're not going to feel a thing. It doesn't make any difference. The market goes down, the market goes up. But think about it. There's great benefits to economic growth, but we got to get the economic growth. And you don't get economic growth by print money and put us into such debt. That's not how you get economic growth, from debt. From debt, there's no good to debt. See, increased consumption is good. See, that's one of the benefits of economic growth, is when you increase our consumption. Consumers benefit from consuming more goods and more services. Because with higher consumption, the more they consume, there's greater prosperity in this country. But that's not what's happening. The more they consume, there's less prosperity and more debt. It's reversed. It's reversed. They want us, Congress and the wealthy, the 1%, that want us to be debt slaves. They're debt slaves. Are you kidding? Economic growth, when it works, it reduces the unemployment. We're an 18% unemployment rate, not the phony 4%. We're an 18% unemployment rate. And how do you get the unemployment rate down? Not by lying. And what did they do to get the unemployment rate down? They say, well, gee, if you haven't worked in the last 4 weeks, or you haven't looked for a job in the last 4 weeks, we don't count you as unemployed. Like 3 million people aren't counted as unemployed. They don't put them on the unemployed list. Isn't that amazing? They get the unemployment number from 18 down to 4% by not counting people who gave up looking for work. If you haven't looked for a job in the last 4 weeks, they don't put you down. So economic growth helps reduce unemployment by creating jobs. But they don't care about creating jobs in this country anymore. Not when all the politicians have to do is tweak the numbers and just leave people off the rolls. Oh, there we go. 18%, we're down to 4%. Aren't we good? Unemployment is a major source of crime in this country. Go to Chicago. There's more killing in Chicago than there's in Afghanistan. It reduces unemployment, reduces poverty, and it can also reduce inequality. There's such inequality in this country. Inequality is a disease. A handful of people have all the money in this country. Just a very few people have a handful of the money, the 1 percentile. They're highly educated people, and they own great wealth. We never had such a wide disparity between the rich and the poor until Obama showed up. All right, so here's what you got to do. Retirement is coming. There is a crisis in retirement. Why? Because we're not growing the economy. We're growing a fake wealth effect, making you feel good. Varney coming on TV every day, and the rest of them telling you how great we're doing. So why don't you really do great? Join my gang, and I'm giving you an opportunity right now. Right now, you can sign up right now and start following me in these selected oil stocks. I'm right in these oil stocks with you, and what I do, you do. Here's the number. 877-600-GANG, a perfect way. What a perfect way for to take the pressure off of you in making money in the stock market. I'm the one that has the pressure, not you. You can sleep at night. All I ask is you take care of the kids at St. Jude. How's that? I'm going to reach out to you. I'm going to pick these 2 fabulous oil stocks and an ETF in oil. You haven't got to do a thing. Just donate to St. Jude. How's that? Call now, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Sign up now. Start following me tonight with the oil sector. You'll love it. See you on the chart.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.